Dox Industries is proud to announce the all-new HPH Series J-Hook for Datacom cable support. HPH J-Hooks are a hybrid of both metal and plastic components, offering the best of both worlds. The plastic component provides a 2-inch wide base support with a slick and burr-free surface. The metal component is the backbone of the hook. It provides strength while reducing cost and weight. The combined J-Hook is UL listed, ROHS compliant, TIA compliant, and is suitable for installation in plenum and air handling spaces. One of the most innovative features of the HPH J-Hook is the built-in snap lock retainer. This is far superior to clumsy retainer wires, cable ties, or Velcro straps that require additional on-site installation. Imagine laying a high-speed data cable on top of a square box. The outside edges will create kinks in the cable. This is what happens when non-TIA compliant J-Hooks are used. Now, imagine laying that same cable on a cylinder. There are no pressure points and no kinks. The design of the all-new HPH J-Hook provides an average bend radius of 3.57 inches. This is the largest radius of any J-Hook on the market. HPH J-Hooks are sold pre-assembled to UL-listed and ROHS compliant attachments, which allow for easy installation to a variety of structures and surfaces. The back of the hook is flush mount to allow for easy installation to vertical surfaces. For more information, please visit